Today on Daddy Dutch Barbecue, party wings on the Masterbuilt Pellet Smoker with Kosmo'sDirtyBird. Bring you back out at the grill. We'll see you then. Thanks, gang. Pellet cooker sitting right at 300 degrees. Let's go ahead and get these wings on. Now I did leave them on a rack, so they're just twice as easy to handle. So here we go. Put them in, put them to bed, come back, check them out, and we'll check them at a half hour, see where they're at there. Go from there. 30 minutes in, let's give them a check. Woo, doggy, they're looking nice. Gonna check the temp, just see where we're at. This is the IHT 1P, the Inkbird, waterproof instant read. Been using it off camera quite a bit. I tell you what, for a $22, $23 instant read, it's reading within a ½ degree of my thermal pen, so I'm pretty happy with it. Let's see here. 147, 160, 163. That one's a little more done. Little guy, 161. Hey, not bad. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna rotate this rack 180 degrees, get a little more even cooking, and then we'll bring you back when they're done. Been another 10 minutes. Let's give them a check. Woo, they smell good. $162 on one of the bigger, fatter ones. Those are done. That's done. Yeah, they're all right around 165. Some of the smaller flats are a little higher, but you know what? I'm not worried about taking my wings to 180. So another 5 minutes, we'll bring them in, plate them up. All right, here we are, our finished product. Let's get into it and see what we think, huh? You set that down, grab a drum mat. I'm liking that. That Dirty Bird is good stuff, let me tell you. One thing I do want to let you know, when you use one of the baking racks like that, be sure to spray it down with a canola spray or something like that so your wings don't stick. And it helps make cleanup a lot easier. Thank you everybody for stopping by. You're gonna have to excuse me. It's time to chow. See you, gang. Thank you.